Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate raspberry Eves pudding. For the filling you will need 300 grams of apples, 150 grams of raspberries, either frozen or fresh, 20 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And for the cake top you will need 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of butter or margarine, 100 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of water. Firstly, we will make our filling. To start with, peel and chop your apples. Then in a saucepan, add your apples, your corn flour, your sugar, your lime juice and your butter, and just give these a quick stir. Then add your raspberries. Again, give a stir, then pop on a low heat and leave for about 5 minutes until softened. Then pop this to one side to allow it to cool while we make the cake topping. In a bowl, to your butter add your sugar and cream until well combined. Then add your egg and your water and mix in. Then add your flour and your cocoa powder and mix really well until a nice batter has formed. Then to an oven-proof dish, add your apple raspberry mixture first and then spoon over the cake batter over the top. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for about 35 minutes or until putting a toothpick into the cake comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make a chocolate raspberry Eves pudding.